Welcome to 2198 Hillcrest Street. This nice 2-bedroom, 1 full bath, 2-story brick townhome. It's located in Orangeburg, convenient to I-26, as well as Claflin University, South Carolina State University, and just a 45-minute drive to Columbia. So we're out front. You can see it is an end unit on the building, which is a quadruplex building. You have parking out front, and there's a walkway, of course, leading up to the front entrance here. So we step inside. You have laminate flooring here in the foyer that continues down the sort of hall or walk towards the kitchen, and into the kitchen is in the spaces on that side as well. And then you have carpeting pretty much everywhere else throughout. So you can see it's been updated nicely. You have flush mount lighting fixtures, nice modern lighting on the ceiling, and a nice sized living room here off the entry, big window looking out towards the front. And then in the small hall here, you have a couple of doors off of here, one being just some storage space, sort of storage closet space. Also has the water heater in there beneath the stairs. And then on this side you have the laundry room. We'll take a look at that in a second. First, the kitchen here. You have an eat-in dining area once you're inside the kitchen. We have black appliances. There is an included refrigerator, electric range, as well as a dishwasher. You can see wood cabinets and light countertops. And then again on this wall you have your laundry closet, full-size washer dryer connections in there. And then out back you have access via this door to the rear patio, which is a nice size, as you can see along the back. And then you also do have a storage closet on this wall that is lockable. Some nice storage space there. You sort of back up to kind of a wooded buffer, or just a small buffer area between here and whatever's back there, and then you just have some shared backyard space at the rear. And then back inside, we'll take a look upstairs at the 2 bedrooms and 1 full bath. So again, we have carpeting on the stairs, and in the bedrooms up here, it's a Berber carpet. You have the full bathroom off the hall. So you have a single vanity and a shower and tub with tile. And then 2 bedrooms. Of course, this is the smaller of the 2. Faces the rear of the property. And you can see the closet in the corner here, which is a pretty nice size. And then last but not least, your larger bedroom. As you can see, it's almost, I won't say quite double, but a good deal larger than the other one. You have a nice wide window sort of higher up on this side, facing towards the front of the building. And then your closet is here. And that completes our tour of this home, 2198 Hillcrest Street in Orangeburg. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.